Most people think same-day delivery is simple. You click order, and it shows up a few hours later. But then, reality hits. Items are missing, time slots disappear, or the option doesn't even show up. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart same-day delivery works fast, but only when you understand the rules behind it. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how Walmart same-day delivery works in 2026, what affects availability, how fast it really is, and how to make sure you actually get it when you need it. Let's start simple. Walmart offers same-day delivery through its store network. Instead of shipping from a warehouse, your order is picked from a nearby store and delivered by a driver. That is what makes it fast. Now here's where it gets interesting. Same-day delivery is not available everywhere, and not for every item. It depends on three main things: your location, item availability at a nearby store, and delivery driver capacity in your area. First, location matters. If you live within a supported delivery zone, you will see same-day delivery options at checkout. If you are slightly outside the zone, the option may disappear completely. Second, item availability is critical. The store near you must physically have the item in stock. If even one item in your cart is unavailable locally, the system may remove same-day delivery for the entire order. But here's the problem most people miss. They assume the app is broken when the option disappears. But in reality, it is usually just one item causing the restriction. Third factor is timing and demand. Same-day delivery relies on available drivers. During busy hours, especially evenings or weekends, time slots can fill up quickly, making same-day delivery temporarily unavailable. Let's walk through how it actually works step by step. You place an order in the app or website. The system checks your address and assigns a nearby store. That store picks your items, packs them, and hands them to a delivery driver. The driver then brings it directly to your home, often within a few hours. Now here's a practical example. Imagine Alex orders groceries in the morning. If everything is in stock locally, and a delivery slot is open, he can receive his order the same afternoon. But if even one item is out of stock, the system may delay or remove same-day delivery entirely. So how do you improve your chances? First, keep your cart simple. Fewer items means fewer chances of stock issues. Second, order earlier in the day when delivery slots are more available. Third, avoid mixing hard-to-find items with standard groceries in the same order. Another smart tip is checking availability before you build your full cart. Add one item first and see if same-day delivery appears, then expand your order from there. So, to wrap it up, Walmart same-day delivery works fast, but it depends on your location, store inventory, and driver availability. When those align, you can get items in just a few hours. If this helped you understand how it works, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.